Hey guys, it's Jordan Jordo's Outdoors. Today we picked up something that I've been wanting for quite a while now, and I'm about to show you guys what it is. Pretty stoked. I came across it on Facebook Marketplace, offered him a trade, and he did it. So here it is. Colman BT200X. So this one's more of like the trail style. It's got front suspension. It's got it's supposed to have a headlight. That's ran off of the flywheel, but that's gone. Looks like it got torn off or something. It's in okay condition. It's not like the best condition, but luckily for me, it came with a box of parts. So it came with a torque converter. The person I got this from was 14 years old, so I mean, kind of just opened everything and yeah, didn't do nothing with it. But came with a new throttle, which we're gonna have to put that on because it's got a broken brake lever. But I mean, other than that, she's in working order except for the centrifugal clutch. It's missing the nut to keep it on. She's in working order. So we're gonna take this whole assembly out and replace it with the torque converter that he put in, well, that he bought, and we're gonna get this thing running. Okay, this is garbage, so we'll set down. Now we should be able to clean this up and put our torque converter plate on. So it looks like I took off the chain guard. It looks like he wrecked it pretty good because this mounting bracket for that is like bent in towards the sprocket. You can see some scoring right here from this. That's funny. Hopefully I didn't bend it, but we'll see. So, change of plans. We decided we're gonna get rid of this Hyson, I think it's a 198 motor, and we are going to slap this Predator 212 in it, because we found out the clutch for this for the torque converter is a 3/4 shaft, and this is a 5/8 shaft right there. So we are going to switch out the motors, and we'll get a better performance out of it, and it'll be a lot better because we'll be able to go faster and whatnot. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, we got the motor out. Now we're just going to clean up this base so we can slap this on there and get the Predator 212 in there. So I think it's going to sit in there like that. It's way nicer, that's for sure. Nice greased up shaft. Those holes line up perfect once I get it straight on there, but it's nice because all I have to do is bolt it down into these threaded parts. Don't even have to hold the nut down there. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and bolt down the plate, bolt down the motor, get that torque converter on. We got room, so we are going to find us some holes and put her on. All 4 of them, then we can start putting the clutch on. Pretty stoked. But really, our objective tonight is to just get this baby up to the motor and hooked onto the chain. So I'll just snip those. Let's take this. 11 tooth sprocket, well 12 tooth sprocket, 910 tooth sprocket. So get my master link in there. That looks good. Happy. Kind of took everybody on there. Almost there. There we go. So now, torque converter's on. Slides freely. Kind of, but we'll mess with that. Yeah, mission accomplished for tonight. Guess we can get our motor straightened up and tightened down, and then just have to wait for those other parts. So we're back. We actually just got a package today in the mail, way earlier than I expected. So we started working on taking off the air box and the old carburetor, because we have got the new carburetor. Here's the air filter and a little tube for carburetor and a little slide carb. This little Chinese Mikuni style carb. So that's what we're going to slap on it, see how it goes. So I'm excited to put this on. Just unbox the exhaust real quick. So we got a little different exhaust that's gonna hopefully make it sound better, give it a little bit of power. Oh, comes with some jets and a spark plug for that carburetor as well. And comes with some heat wrap for the exhaust, and I think I picked a black exhaust, so we'll see if that paint burns off. Looks like pretty nice little exhaust tube. So there's nothing else in the box. So yeah, little exhaust go on there nicely, I hope. Yeah, I hope that works good. So we're just gonna get started on this carburetor first. Hopefully we can get that on tonight, and then slap that exhaust on real quick. So we got the red version of this carb kit. Let's see how it goes on there now. So first things we gotta do is take off these two posts. It's got these pliers for the time being, so I'm just screwing this down to the block. Now I think the throttle cable is way too short. I'll show you in a sec. But there's my slide. That's closed. That's open. It doesn't even shut at all. So I think I'm gonna have to go get a different throttle cable, see if I can get something to work. But in the meantime, I will start putting the exhaust on. Alright. So, loosened the bolts on the exhaust. So there it is. all hooked up. Now we just wait on the throttle cable. We gotta have a brake lever, and I ordered some new foot pegs. And then I also ordered a rack to go on back for my crate. Sorry, I got the hiccups. Yeah.
I'm tipping, wood grain I'm gripping, catch me lane switching with the paint dripping. Turn your neck and your dang missing. Me and Slim, we ain't tripping. I'm figure flipping and syrup sipping. Like do or die, I'm pole pimping. Car stop, rims keep spinning. I'm flipping drop with invisible tops. Hose bob with my drop step out. I'm shaking the block with 418s. Candy green with 11 screens. My gasoline always supreme. Got Dodo the brand with a pain of lean. It tastes grinding to be a king. Tastes grinding to be a king. First round drop piece coming. Who is Mike Jones coming? Slab shining with the grill and warming. Slab shining with the grill.
All right, so here's the bikes so far. I put a red chain on it, got a torque converter, aftermarket exhaust pipe, put the gas tank up here. I mounted it with some metal strap, a Nibby 24mm carb, and I have a billet flywheel. And so we're gonna take it on a little test run now, see how it goes. Definitely faster than a stock carb on here. So yeah, that was a great test run. There's a lot more power with that stock carb on it. I mean, without that stock carb on it. So it looks pretty cool with the tank on top instead of down below. Gives it more of that off-road bike look. So stay tuned for more mods in the future. Pretty much done with it for now, but we'll keep on working with it in the future.